Hello, it's me, Salmatino. In today's video, I'll show you how to download and start a demo of the Beckhoff TwinCAT3 target system. Let's get started right away. You can find the download center at www.eselmo.at under Product. Now click Login. If you don't have an account yet, you can register for free. Here, on Demos. In this download area you will find the finished model demos. In our case we use TwinCAT3, demo bending device. After downloading, unzip the file. Under Beckhoff you will find the virtual model, the Selmo Studio file, the generated HMI, and the PLC code implemented in the operating system. First we open TwinCAT3 and import the TNZip solution archive. To do this, go to Open Solution from Archive, and select Bending Device TNZip. Select the storage location. Then check whether a core is isolated and the current version of the Selmo Studio library is installed. Restart the TwinCAT system and log in. Here you can see if you are connected. Next we start the Selmo Studio. Then we open the SEO file, Bending Device. You can find it under Beckhoff, HMI generated. You can connect to the PLC under System Layer. As the last step, we open the generated HMI and Boris's virtual model. To do this, open Selmo Powered HMI, EXE, and Bending Device TC3, BSY. Activate automatic mode and put Boris in run mode. Now you can start the demo and follow the process flow, live in Selmo Studio and TwinCAT. Thank you and see you in our next video. Your Salmatino.